Hey guys, welcome back. Luxury YouTube is pretty much dead at this point, or at the very best on life support. So in honor of all the unboxings that did not happen this year, I'm sharing with you the items that I have picked up recently in hopes that it can bring back some of the old glory. The first item in today's video is an item that I picked up from STOCKX. You guys know it was impossible to get anything from the LV X Murakami collab this year, and so I just got what I wanted from STOCKX. As opposed to my first unboxing from STOCKX, this one did not come in mint condition. As you can see here, it has some markings on it and it was crushed. The dust bag it came in was too small. The box it was packaged in was way too small. The bag is new, unused. However, it was damaged during the transit. They only gave me like an $80 coupon to make up for it, but I accepted that because I did pay under retail for this bag as opposed to my black Speedy multicolor that I paid above retail for. I already have a Samorga organizer inside the bag to keep it clean because it does have a very light microfiber lining in there. It comes with a little luggage tag that is attached to the side of it and the straps here to tie it up. I have a theory that the red glazing on the side of the vachetta is what caused the markings on the bag because it was so cramped inside the box that the glazing was rubbing up against the canvas. As you guys have seen probably in other videos, it comes with a vachetta strap that has a bunch of studs across it with the LV engraving on it, on each of the studs, and it does also come with a pochette that can be used as a little clutch if you want to just use the pochette as a clutch. It only came with one D-ring, which is this one right here on the left. And then the other D-ring was something that I bought off of Amazon. So they're not identical, but they're pretty close. You really can't notice the difference unless you're paying attention. And the plan is to attach a crossbody strap to this little pouch and make it into a little crossbody bag. It has the same interior lining and a little, plaque there that says LV X Murakami. So you guys are all familiar with this release and have probably seen a lot of these, but I just wanted to share with you the one bag from the white multicolor that I purchased. I was thinking of the Speedy, but you know what? I really like this style. I can't remember what it's called right now, but I wanted to sort of venture out into something different. This next piece is from the same collection. However, it did not come from STOCKX. It was a Japan exclusive, and so I had to reach out to a reseller from Japan to provide this. Been on this kick lately where I have to have an SLG to match the bag that I'm using. And one of my favorite SLGs by far is the LV 6-ring key holder. The interior of this one is to die for. Look at that vibrant fuchsia pink. It is gorgeous. It has the gold stamp here on the inside with the Takashi Murakami 2025 anniversary made in France. And then it has the pocket here in the back where you can keep, a credit card and your driver's license. And, you put your house key or your car key on and you're ready to go. This is one of the best SLGs that Louis Vuitton offers, in my opinion. And it's even nicer than my Chanel key ring holder that I really never use. I just use my LV key holders for the most part, and I like to match them with the bag that I'm carrying. The next unboxing is from Fashion File. As we all know, Chanel has not been doing it for us lately. As long-time customers, they're just going in a different direction right now, and so I think the best place to find items from Chanel is, on the second-hand market. So I bought a piece that I think would go really well with this bag. Look at that color. I mean, isn't it obvious that I am a sucker for fuchsia pink? I bought this piece to go inside of the white multicolor Murakami bag, and it does fit perfectly inside the bag. Look at that. And it even peeks out like a little peekaboo situation, and that vibrant pink color just goes beautifully with the colors that are going on the outside of the bag. And it goes without saying that you can use it as a little clutch or on the inside of your bigger bags. The logo here is a bit different. It's not just a solid CC. I'm going to try to get that as clear as possible for you guys. It's kind of like a carved out Coco Chanel emblem, and it's in silver hardware, which I don't mind. I do prefer gold, but silver is cool as well, and it does go really well with fuchsia pink. That's the back pocket. And it alludes to what the interior of this clutch looks like. Look at that. 90s, early 2000 vibes for sure. And I think I'm just going to cut off the tag with you guys right now because this is far beyond returned. And the moment I unboxed it, I knew I was going to keep it. So there we go. How pretty is that? It was in excellent condition. I would say brand new, because look at those corners. No wear at all on the corners. This was the vision that I had for this bag. I wanted it to be like a full set of items that I could use with the multicolor. I didn't get a chance to use any of these items this summer. There were some other items that I was using a lot more that I will share with you in a second. Inside this box is the bag that completely stole my heart this summer, 2025. It came out of the blue. I was not expecting to love it and use it as much as I did. Honestly, it put all of my other bags into sort of like a stall because I was using this one nonstop. Let's see what it is. Can we please call out this hideous button that LV has put on its boxes now instead of the magnet? It's not even cut evenly. It's not a good look at all. And in my opinion, it was a total cost-saving step. I don't think you guys have seen this before on YouTube. I mean, I haven't seen it. If you've seen anybody unbox it, let me know so that I can go watch their video and hear their thoughts. But this little cutie pie right here is a pencil holder. Now, that's what it is designated as on the website. You don't have to use it as a pencil holder. You can use it as a brush holder. I guess you can put jewelry in there if you wanted to. Pretty much anything you want to use it for. It's just like a cup, you know. I'm going to bring it closer, show you some of the details. Look at that stitching, how the symbols align perfectly. And again, it's that maroon or dark pink color that sucked me in. It just contrasts so beautifully against the monogram, and I'm loving this combo. Let me grab the little tag on the inside so I can show you the details in case anybody is interested. I hope that's focusing for you guys. And this is what the inside looks like. It also has the LV stamp in gold at the bottom. And if you want to put pens and pencils and scissors and stuff like that into this little pencil holder without damaging the pencil holder, you can put like a piece of felt or, you know, just something that would protect the bottom. You just cut it up in a circle and then you put it down into the inside. Nobody will see it, and it will protect your pencil holder from getting stained or damaged. I have cleared my desk area because the next item that we're going to finish off the video with is in its own league, and quite honestly, it deserves a total video dedicated to the unboxing of this bag. However, I just wanted to consolidate everything that I picked up recently for you guys into one video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you think this haul brought you some joy and some happiness today. Can you tell from the shape and the size what this bag could be? Let me give you a clue. See that right there? I think you guys know what it is. Look at this stunner. I'm in love. I mean, after the white multicolor Murakami, I think this color is just as beautiful. It comes in at second place in my opinion, maybe even a tie between first place, between the white multicolor and this Speedy 30. It's called the Dune. I think this is what they're calling this colorway, but look at how squishy and soft that canvas is. It is completely different from the canvas that they use on their regular Speedies. It's also lined with leather, and you guys, look at that pink leather. I'm gonna try to capture the color. I don't have the best lighting, but it's like a guys, look at that pink interior. How beautiful is that? And we've got the stitching down the middle. We've got our little key and lock swimming around there. And then these are the charms that come with the bag. You do not have to purchase these charms separately, although I have seen some resellers break the bag down and sell the bag and the charms separate, which I would never do that. The charms are part of the character of this bag. This is what it looks like. It's got a little flower there in pink and a bunch of little stones, and then a ring here at the bottom that you can use to attach more charms to, or maybe you can use it, you know, to wrap it around something and hook it on to the side of your bag. That's what the side looks like. It is one piece of canvas, so the back is upside down, which is not my favorite, but I was willing to look past that just because of how beautiful this bag is. Look at that slouch. And the interior just peeks out like a little peekaboo moment. So pretty. And it comes with the shoulder strap that we have grown familiar with by this point. It's that red glazing again that I was talking about earlier. I don't know if I'm going to have any issues with the red gray glazing against the light canvas. Time will tell. I haven't used this bag either. It is my most recent purchase. I had to fight the bots on the website to be able to purchase this bag. If it wasn't for Apple Pay, I would not have this bag. I'm just putting that out there. You have to be super fast. All right, that's what our shoulder strap looks like. It does not come with a long crossbody strap. None of the soft Speedies do, as far as I know. At least none of the 30s do. That's the information, in case y'all are interested. It's very difficult to get it on the website. Like I said, I just had to, you know, stalk the website and set up notifications and then use Apple Pay to check out as fast as possible. That's how I was able to secure this bag. Like an Azure clutch like this one from my Neverfull as a pouch. That's what the interior looks like on mine, because it doesn't, like, it came from a special edition bag, so the interior is a little bit different. But I have a feeling that the Azure would look nice with the pink interior inside the bag, and so that's what it looks like down in there. I have a bunch of other Azure pieces that I can use as well. It's hard to find Azure nowadays on the website, and so, you know, whenever you find pieces that could work, this one might work as well. I guess you could use them. A 6-3 key holder, because I can't go without, and so that's what the inside looks like with the Azure and the pink interior. I miss when they used to do a lot of Azure pieces with the pink interior. I hope they go back. although I doubt they will. They're branching out into so many things right now. It doesn't look like the Azure is coming back. However, this bag is mine. It's not going anywhere. It is a forever bag. As of now, everything can change. Never say never, but as of right now, this bag has my heart, and so does my Speedy 30 in the black. And just the Speedy 30 soft, you know, that black multicolor is so pretty. The colors are so vibrant, and I love the shoulder length, like this shoulder strap that they're doing right now. It's a complete hit for the Speedy 30s, in my opinion, and I hope I can get more of them. I'm just waiting for them to release the right colorways.